Tablet coating defects and common problems with solutions.
Sticking and picking. Problems occurs our tablets get stick to each other or to the coating pan, causing portions of the coating film to peel off.
Orange peel effect. Problem occurs are in this the tablet surface becomes rough and resembles the skin of an orange.
Blistering problem. In this coating film lifts from the tablet surface, creating blisters or bubbles.
Cracking and splitting problem. Visible cracks appear on the coated tablet surface.
Mottling. Uneven color distribution. Tablets show patches of light and dark colors.
Twinning. Two tablets stick together during the coating process. Bridging of logos and score lines. In this, the embossed logos or score marks become partially filled with coating material.
Peeling and flaking. The coating film gets separated from the tablet surface in flakes or sheets.
Spray drying. Coating solution dries before reaching the tablet bed, resulting in rough surfaces and poor film formation.
Erosion and chipping. Tablet edges wear away during coating. Upgrade your tablet coating process today. Achieve smoother coatings, improved efficiency, and consistent product quality with our ABG, ABGS, and ABH precision tablet coating spray guns.
Contact us today for high-quality coating spray gun. micanengineers, your partner in industrial spray solutions.